Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In today's video, I really needed to get those plants. Remember the free plants that I got in another video off of Craigslist? I really needed to get them out and into the air and into nature. So I had to come up with a quick solution, and in this video I'm going to show you how we built a plant bench for our free plants.
I'm so glad you're out here.
Initially I thought I could do it myself, but I got scared, and that's why I was moving the bricks with my foot, because I started thinking, what if a snake is under here, or a lizard, or bugs? Like, yeah. So I still haven't fully embraced the country life, although I really want to. I'm just not there when it comes to critters and snakes. No thank you. So this is pretty self-explanatory, but we gathered 4 cinder blocks that we got for free, and same with all of this wood back here. We got all of this for free. We had to dismantle a fence, and it was all free on Craigslist. Our weeds and grass and bushes have grown over it. It's just overgrown right now, but we're going to take care of it. So while he's over there doing that, I'll be over here picking out the pots that we got for free, once again on Craigslist, trying to pick out pots that fit. Here, because this was on a fence, some of the staples are still in the 4x4x8, and all he's doing here is removing the staples and nails. Some of them were really in there deep, so obviously we had to use wire cutters. So here's the plan. I've seen a lot of these on Pinterest where people are making benches for their back decks. Just forgive me because these bricks are really dirty. I plan to wash them off before showing you the reveal. I'm actually working on my deck as we speak, or right now, but that's a whole nother video. So I'm working on my deck, and I want to show you all the big reveal at another time. Right now my husband's just trying different ways to try to make a bench out of it, but I had a different idea. I wanted this wire that we got, again, free on Craigslist. It was fencing from a dog kennel. We just cut a strip from the fence and stapled it down. While he's stapling, I'm just going to fill up these pots with some potting soil so I can repot the plants. The pots were free on Craigslist. The soil was not free, I'm sorry. And as far as everything else was free on Craigslist. Just trying to show you up close what he stapled down. I'm looking at those bricks, and they need to be painted. But this was a quick fix for the plant problem. I had all those plants in the house, and I needed to get them outside. So this part will just sit as the bench. You want to see it's when I water the plants, I want the water to drain through, and that's why we did not make the bench solid, but use this wire or hardware cloth. The buckets are so gross. The plant pots look so gross, but like I said, when I have the big reveal, things will look a lot different. This is just a rush job. I can't lay enough emphasis on it. These are the plants, once again, free. If I say Craigslist again, you know what? You all get the picture. I'm just repotting them here. Yes, when I picked them up they had those big holes in the leaves, but I have a plan. I'm going to try to nurse them back to health, or at least regrow some new leaves. Turn a new leaf. So far, this is what it looks like here. When I completed this on that day, this is what it looked like. But now I have at least 4 more plants out there. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Please give it a like and subscribe.